The question is by this young man.
What's up? It's your boy Jim Jam coming in live. We got Abby.
Oh, yo.
Yo, what
Yo.
up, what up?
Anyway, their question was, I said breast cancer is based on love. I said that, didn't I?
And I said, explain that. What do you
Why?
mean?
How?
Okay.
Because cancer and love, they don't seem...
First of all, you're taking from an American perspective.
True.
You're nothing from a God's perspective.
Well,
In God's perspective, we're designed not to get sick. We have 75.
ultimately, from
We have 75
creation,
trillion cells. Each
before
cell
sin.
has 24,000 life units.
Four.
We have 380 trillion viruses, 60 billion bacteria working together in unison.
Let's get
They
this right.
never, ever, ever make mistakes. There she is.
There she is.
They never, ever make a mistake. And everything they do for your highest good. So say, for example, James or your brother, right?
Mm-hmm.
What was he eating for breakfast today?
What do you eat for
Was he
breakfast?
eating?
Yeah.
Whoa. I don't know what he was eating.
Say, for example,
he was eating cereal.
Eating cereal. So you're eating cereal, and you have a body that understands truth, that understands lie. So if you're eating cereal, and you have to go to this book, right? Right? You have to turn to page 24, right?
Yeah.
And you happen to read page 24, right? What does that say? Just read out loud. This is from Become Younger.
Read it.
Second paragraph.
Go ahead, Abby.
This is more than I wanted to do.
Yeah.
The interesting thing about this starch molecule is that it is not soluble in water,
Like
alcohol,
cereal.
or
Ether.
Ether.
Yeah.
you want me to keep reading?
Yeah.
When I first realized this fact, I immediately discovered why the grain and starchy foods I had eaten in such quantities caused such impactions in the liver, as to cause it to harden like a piece of board.
And what's the next sentence?
It also gave me the clue as to why gravel and stones formed in the gallbladder and the kidneys, why the blood coagulated unnaturally in the blood vessels and capillaries and formed hemorrhoids, tumors.
Tumors! Whoa!
Whoa!
That means when you're eating cereal and the body cannot get rid of it, it has to create like an encapsulation. So the body, yes.
Enjoy your occasional bowl of Lucky Charms on St.
So it
Patrick's
encapsulates, what
Day.
it does, it encapsulates the toxins in a place where it doesn't get the rest of the bloodstream. Guess for a woman's tag.
Breast.
Breast area.
Oh!
To your benefit. It's based on love. The body loves you so much.
Why love?
Because the body loves you so much that it cannot let this acid waste, which is,
That would be hate, though.
but it loves you. It doesn't want to get in your bloodstream, otherwise you die.
No.
You die.
Here's what
You die.
maybe I'm trying to equate this.
You die.
We are made
No, that's
with
not
these
love.
incredible
That is
vessels
love.
in the image of God.
Yes.
And God designed for our bodies to buffer stuff.
Buffer and isolate and quarantine.
Yeah, but not
and
everyone
then
who eats cereal gets cancer.
But you know what? According to a China study, 99% of the people who eat meat get cancer. Some type of cancer.
Yeah, but do those 99% of people know that they have cancer and die from it?
I would say half the country dies from cancer. Half the people who die from
but
cancer,
do
half die from heart
people
disease.
that die from cancer cause it by radioactive stuff or other
No, meat is a major
toxins?
factor. Meat is a major factor, in my opinion. But anyway, we're talking
I
about
love
love.
chicken.
She doesn't make sense. This is my opinion. I wanted to do a video on breast cancer. That's the best thing
No, you
ever.
did it. You
I
did your
it.
video.
I did
Even
it.
if I don't
And she
know
did not
you.
slap me in my face. James said, James thought it was cool. Was it cool?
I
Hey,
thought it was still cool.
Yeah.
you know, I
Okay.
appreciate coming in here. Listen,
Bye.
Arnold's Way. We got Abby. She loves chicken, but she's here. Is she not?
Chicken. Chicken, please, please. She doesn't know what she's doing yet.
I'm a cook. I need chicken.
She is a cook, Arnold.
She's a cook. Well,
Maybe she'll start
we
cooking raw.
can make you chicken from celery.
There we
and
go.
zucchini. I do. I make
Chicken.
unchicken salad.
If it doesn't
I
balk,
make unchicken salad.
Hey, don't bash it till you try it.
if it
As I
doesn't
say.
balk, then it's not chicken.
What?
If it doesn't balk, it's not chicken.
Would you like to eat that chicken?
You have a sample?
You eat that chicken.
Yeah.
How do you think your body feels? Or chicken
I mean,
has uric acid.
I don't know.
You're eating a dead animal the way it was killed. Every cell in your body understands that.
Shoot. All right.
Shoot. Bye.
Here first, to be continued. Much love.
Okay.
Peace.
Bye.
Maybe I'll get breast cancer one day.
No.
Okay, Abby. All right, we're gonna continue. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Me.
All right, peace out. Bye.